Has your eyesight been declining recently? Maybe you're squinting more, or struggling to read things that used to be clear. Your eyes might feel dry or sore, even if you haven't changed your routine. These issues might not just be due to aging. They could be early signs of more serious eye conditions. Many people lose their vision over time, not just because they're older, but because their eyes aren't getting the support they need. After age 60, the eyes often begin to struggle because they're lacking essential nutrients. This lack can be caused by poor digestion, long-term blood sugar issues, medications, and other lifestyle factors. If left unchecked, this can lead to dry eyes, cataracts, macular degeneration, and even nerve-related vision loss. But this process is slow, and it often goes unnoticed until it becomes serious. Fortunately, some nutrients, many of which are found in common foods, can help reduce dryness, protect vision, and improve overall eye comfort. In this video, we'll go through key vitamins, antioxidants, and habits that can support eye health. Stick around for a short list of daily habits at the end. Dry, irritated eyes are often an early sign of vitamin A deficiency. The active form, retinol, helps the eyes produce tears and adapt to low light. Without enough of it, dryness and night blindness can develop. Most diets today lack natural sources like egg yolks, organ meats, and cod liver oil. And relying on plant-based sources like carrots may not be enough, since converting beta-carotene to retinol becomes harder with age. Even a small daily amount of cod liver oil can help support eye moisture and night vision over time. Fatigue, burning, or dry eyes may be due to low-grade inflammation. Omega-3s, particularly DHA and EPA, are essential for nerve tissue, including the eyes. They help reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and support tear production. They're found in fatty fish like sardines and salmon. Most older adults don't eat enough of these regularly. Supplements may help reduce symptoms over time. You might be eating the right foods but still not absorbing nutrients. That's because nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and carotenoids are fat-soluble and require bile to be absorbed. As we age, bile production may drop, especially if the gallbladder has been removed or digestion is sluggish. In such cases, bile salt supplements before meals may help improve nutrient absorption. Difficulty seeing in bright light or faded colors may be signs that your macula is low on protective pigments. Lutein and zeaxanthin filter harmful light and protect central vision. The body can't make these, they must come from food. Common sources include leafy greens and egg yolks, but absorption is poor without fats. A powdered supplement from nutrient-rich plants may help when food intake is inconsistent. The eyes contain high levels of zinc, which helps convert vitamin A to its usable form. It also supports melanin production for UV protection. With age, zinc levels tend to drop due to stress, inflammation, or medication use. Zinc-rich foods include seafood and seeds, but supplementation may be necessary. However, balance is important. Too much zinc can deplete copper. Some vision problems start in the optic nerve, not the eye itself. Elevated blood sugar, whether from diabetes or not, can damage nerve fibers over time. Benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1, helps protect and repair these nerves. It's especially useful for those with long-term blood sugar issues or metabolic concerns. If vision seems dim or foggy, oxidative stress may be breaking down eye tissue. Vitamin C helps protect the lens and macula, and also supports the tiny capillaries in the retina. Whole food sources like bell peppers, kale, or berries are more effective than synthetic pills. Smokers and former smokers often need more vitamin C due to higher oxidative stress. Sensitivity to light or pressure behind the eyes could point to low levels of B vitamins. B3, niacin, helps reduce eye pressure. B2, riboflavin, supports lens health and reduces oxidative stress. Together, they help maintain vision clarity and reduce long-term risks. Nutritional yeast, leafy greens, and eggs are good sources. B-complex supplements may help fill gaps. Finally, a few habits can help maintain eye health. Limit screen time and blue light. Use blue light filters or glasses, especially at night. Rest your eyes, look into the distance regularly to reduce eye strain. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes often respond well to better hydration. Try MSM eye drops. These can gently soothe and clean the eyes. Avoid inflammatory oils. Replace seed oils with better fats like avocado or coconut oil. Eye health isn't just about what you take, it's also about what your body can absorb and how you live each day. Many people assume it's too late to improve vision, but consistent care can still make a difference. If this information was useful, consider sharing it with others who may be facing similar issues. Taking small steps today can help preserve independence and visual clarity in the years ahead.